Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Apple Music not working problem. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can fix that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, make sure to check if your internet connection is stable or not, because sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes this problem and it allows the music to not be played. Now if you have a great internet connection and you're still facing the problem, then just close Apple Music and open it again. This should probably fix it. If it still doesn't, then restart your phone. Sometimes simply restarting your phone fixes the problem. But if doing that as well doesn't fixes it, then basically it might be a problem with your iPhone, but because you haven't updated it for a really long time. So what you can do is you can go on your setting inside your phone. You can see settings over here, click on it. Once you do that, you can scroll a bit down, and where it says general over here, you want to click on general. Now once you're inside general, you can see software update. You want to click on software update and it's going to show you if there's any update. If you don't see anything, there's no update. Your phone is up to date. But in my case, it shows me this, which means I need to update it. I can click on download and install the update, and my problem should be fixed. If it is still not fixed, it could be the reason that Apple's Apple Music might be down, which means their server is undergoing maintenance and they're fixing some issue. In that case, the only thing you can do is just wait for some time until they, fix the problem. It generally takes them 24 hours, but try to open your Apple Music after 3 or 4 hours. It should open up. If it doesn't, then you need to wait for 24 hours. But after 24 hours, it should work. So yeah, these are all the suggestions which I'm giving you guys in order to fix your Apple Music not working problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.